Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to get more stuff in the toolbox than usual in Visual Basic. Okay, so you want to open up Visual Basic, Windows Visual Basic 2010 or whatever, and then just do a new project, Windows Form Application like we always do. Then you want to go to Tools, and then choose Toolbox Item. And then, oh, I didn't do that. But that is not it. But then you can just click on any of these things right here, on any 4 of these. I'm waiting for them to all load. I have added all of these 3 right now. I will show you them all in a second. Yeah, well, you just check them boxes right there next to them on the left, and this is about as much as you're gonna get. You might be able to get a few more, but there is over probably 100, 200 right here. Probably over 200. There's a ton. Let's just drag some crap in too, guys. That's what I've been doing to test it all out. Then I'll bring a tutorial on how to use them. Oh, let's see what this thing is. Hey, truthing. Ooh. Yeah, well, that had a problem. So, yeah, well, that was pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys how to add stuff to it. So, see ya.